Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Full Stack Learner. Today we are going to write code for online food mobile app. In the last few videos we have designed all the pages required for our application. Now in this video let us go ahead and implement routing module so that navigation can be done between different pages of our application. Since all of our pages are implemented, now when we go to our original thing, when we click on home, see this navigation is working. When I click on get started, it redirects me to the menu page, and when I click on home, it is redirecting me to the home page. When I click on get started, it is redirecting me to the menu page again. When I click on any product, it is redirecting me to the product description page, and from here if I have to go to home page, I can click here and I come to menu page, and then when I click on cart, I can go to my cart. So this is how my navigation should look like, and this can be achieved through React Router navigation. So let us go ahead and implement that React Router navigation. So I'll go to my app.js, and here I'll remove all these things. So I'll remove everything, and my app appears blank because I have not browsed anything. So let me go ahead and implement my React Router module thing. So I'll just So let me first get my React Router DOM, and then so my intelligence picks them, and then routes followed by route. So I'm ready with my all routes, and then I'll remove my div here, and then I'll take my top level browser router, and inside that I'll declare my routes, and inside my routes I'll declare my route. Oops, it's very case sensitive, and I'll declare my route. That's it, I have declared my route. So I'm going to declare my route as exact strict. So this is the syntax for my routing module. So when I click on home, it should go to my home screen. So this is how my syntax looks. Let me minimize this. So this is how my syntax looks like. So when I click on menu, I should be redirected to menu page, and when click on a particular item, I should be redirected to item page, and when I click on cart, I should be redirected to the cart page, and for any other search, for any other generic search, so I'll put star, and I should be redirected to my home page. This is how my menu looks like. As you can see, when it is not there, suppose if I comment this line here, white screen comes, because since we are not given anything here in the path, it tries to search home, menu, item, cart, and it didn't find any page, hence no page is displayed here. So when I uncomment this, since this becomes my generic search, and it is redirecting to the home page. So this is done. So this is working perfectly for us. Now when I click on this get started, I should be redirected to my menu page. So for that what I do is I'll go to my home.js, and here on this button what I do is on click of this I should be redirected to my menu page. So for that I make use of one library called I'll make use of one hook called use navigate. So that is there in our React router DAM. Use navigate from React router DAM. So in order to use that, I'll declare const navigate equal to use navigate. So I'm going to use this hook through this constant variable. So here I'll just declare on click of this redirect me to navigate of menu page. So let me save this and let me click on this. Let me refresh this and let me click on this. See, I'm redirected to the menu page. So this is working fine. Now let me go to the menu.js, and here, so I'll just, when I click on this biryani image, I should go to my item description page. So for that what I do is, so here this is my biryani thing. So here this is my div. So what I specify is here, when I click on this image, particularly when I click on this image div on click, I write a function to call navigate of item page. Since I have not declared navigate, so this error comes. So let me go ahead and declare the navigate here. So import use navigate hook from React router DAM, and then declare the navigate, and let me save this. So this is working. What as of navigate is not defined. Okay, so so let me copy this and paste here exactly. So here it should not be capital N, it should be small n. Let me save this. So when I click on this, as you can see, when I click on home, when I click on get started, oops, there is something wrong. Oh, here, okay. Let me write the code here. What I did wrong name and this here close button slash in the original. If I don't put slash, for that I'll remove this image here. My browser goes on appending the item, so it should not be the case. So I have to put slash here. So let me save this and let me refresh this. I'll remove all these things. Let me refresh this and click on get started. I'm in menu. Now I click on biryani thing. I'm redirected to the item page. This is working fine. Now the home page also, let me see this. It should be slash menu. Okay, this is very much important. And now I'll go to my item.js, and here when I click on add to cart, I should be redirected to my cart page. So let me go ahead and implement that. On click of this item, on click of this, redirect me to navigate of slash cart page. I don't know why it is taking capital letter every time. Let me do this small. Save this. Since navigate is not yet declared, so this error is known and it is expected. And now let me copy this, and when I, so let me do the navigation thing. Import use navigate from React router DAM, and then let me declare that navigate thing, use navigate, save this, done. So this is working fine. When I click on this arrow mark, it should redirect me to the home page. So here, when I click on this arrow mark, when I click on this, on click of this, I should be navigated to /menu. So I should be navigated to the menu page. So when I click on this, I'm navigated to menu page. When I click on this, I'm navigated to the item page. And here, add to cart, it should be, when I click on add to cart, it should redirect me to the cart page. So when I click on this, it is redirecting me to the cart page. Done. Now these buttons should work properly. When I click on these things, it should redirect me to the corresponding pages. Suppose this is home, this is menu, this is cart. So let me go ahead and implement that in my, first I'll go ahead and do that in my cart page. So I'll go to the cart.js, and here first let me import my use navigate hook, and then let me declare my variable, and done. Now let me go to my icons here, and here, okay, this is my home. When I click on this, on click, it should redirect me to navigate off home page. So done. Copy this and go ahead and paste here. When I click on this, I should be redirected to menu page. When I click on this, I should be redirected to menu, and when I click on this, I should be redirected to the cart page. So this is cart. So let me click on this, I'm ready to menu, and when I click on this, okay, since in my menu page I have not implemented these things, so let me go ahead and implement. So for that, I'll go to my menu.js, and here the same thing. So first I have to import my, okay, use navigate is already imported, so nothing to worry. So let me go ahead and do those modifications here. So first one is my, when I click on this, I should be redirected to the home page, and when I click on this, it should be redirected to the menu page, and when I click on this, I should be redirected to the cart page. So let me save this, and this my application looks like. I'll click here, I'm in home. When I click here, I'm going to menu. When I click here, this is my cart. Since I am in cart, when I click here, nothing happens, and when I give something here, like something I'll give and I'll enter, I'll go to my home page because of my generic search thing. So when I click here, I'm coming to my menu page. So this is my application. So that's it, folks. We have implemented the front end of our application. Now in the next video series, let us go ahead and implement the Redux for state management, so that we can add real food items to the cart and try to test all the functionalities. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.